Welcome to the Tech Lab of Russ Nicodem from SICK Incorporated. Today's project is determining if these seals, and this is a wet wipe, if the seals are clear of the wet wipe, i.e. the wet wipe is not stuck in the seals. This can be done in multiple ways. We're trying to do it in a very inexpensive way with a basic sensor, background suppression line sensor. It's a W2 line. This sensor happens to have I/O links, so we're able to connect it to our computer, and I have it set up at 50 millimeters sensing distance. Default is 45, so if you don't want to use a computer, you don't have to. Just use the 45 millimeter standoff. But it also has logic built in, so you could have an AND logic or an OR logic. So if you wanted to say, I see this mark, and the sensor's not on, that's good, or something along that line. So here we've got the sensor. It's off when there's no material in this first one, so it's off, and it's off. And then when it gets to an area where there is material, it turns on and off. So it should be off during the seal. It's hard to see a little bit because of the shadow, but you get the idea. That works fairly robustly as long as the material doesn't have more variation in it than the wet wipe. So that is our project today. This sensor worked very robustly right out of the gate. Product is WT2L, background suppression. The feature is that it's got a line, and the line gives you a little bit of extra area to detect. You can also run it in the other direction, in this direction, and you would be pretty much the line is the width of the seal. The benefit on this sensor for you would be that it's an inexpensive way of making sure that your seals are clear of the wet wipe material. So thank you and have a good day.